people out there. Folks, hope all is well, and hope you're doing great on today. Hey guys, before we get started, let's go ahead and get the hit that like button. Hit that like button, smash that like button, folks. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And folks, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Super excited, guys, to bring you a quick review. We're going to talk about Udimi solo ad traffic. Also, I'm going to touch bases just a little bit on Wilson's list. We'll touch base. We'll talk about just briefly. I'll do another presentation on Wilson's list. But guys, I want to talk about Udimi solo ads, how to use it, and let's go under the hood. I'm going to give you some of my thoughts and give you an in-depth review on this program. The solo ad provider resource that, and give you some of my thoughts, some pointers, and some of my experiences with Udimi solo ads. Everybody know this young man here. That's Timothy Thomas, folks, if you don't know. But guys, super excited. Traffic is going to be the lifeblood of your business. Getting traffic to your site is going to make the difference between you winning and losing, or being successful. And you're going to need traffic to your site and lots of it. Udimi solo ads, folks, has an unlimited, a literal ocean of traffic that can be given to your site on demand. Folks, you can decide how much traffic you want on a daily basis going to your site. I mean, it is amazing to see what can happen when you put this thing to action. And I'm going to show you how to select the solo ad provider, solo ad deals, some extras, how you can become an affiliate for Udimi solo ads. So very powerful, guys. So put your seatbelt on and enjoy the ride. As we're looking at the Udimi solo ads, guys, we see here, we can go and we can find sellers and solo ad deals. What I do is I like to go and find out solo ad deals. I want to go and find out who has the best deal available. What I usually like to do, guys, pay anywhere from 40 cents to around 55 cents per traffic. I don't go over 55 cents because at the end of the day, traffic is going to be traffic. Now, all traffic is not created equal. Don't get me wrong. But what I usually like to look for is sellers that I look at how many orders that they've got over time, and I like to look and see how many sales that they got, as far as reviews, and how many people have reviewed them and said they got sales from the traffic. The way to do this, guys, you click on to the person. Let's say this young man here, 40 cents, he's got 148 orders. All right, the traffic's making fast, high quality, and it's U.S. available traffic. Folks, you want to make sure, whatever you do, is that you get U.S. traffic, or 100% Tier 1 base traffic. This meaning English-speaking countries. Why in the world would you want to send traffic to non-English-speaking countries? But you want to make sure all your traffic is English-speaking and Tier 1. Folks, and they're looking for BizOps, CPA offers, and things like that. So that's what we want to do. Click on to this young man here, and we want to look at reviews. Reviews of the traffic. And this is what people are bought, and then the thumbs up is right here shows whether they got sales or not. Look at this, folks. People got here at sales, no matter what it is, he delivers, opt-ins and sales, outstanding. You want to look at the reviews, and I usually go with the people that got the most sales and most reviews, most thumbs up. And I want to see what people are saying. Is he delivering the traffic? It says, and they got question and answer, guys. When will the traffic order start? If I don't have a swipe, have inserted the wrong URL, look it over. Do your due diligence, folks. Take a few minutes. Become familiar with your seller. And when you become familiar with your seller, guys, you can order traffic over and over and over again from these solo ad providers. And I move around, guys, and I order a lot of traffic. I order a ton of traffic, guys, from Udimi solo ads. What you do, guys, okay, let's say this is the program that I'm going to promote. Now, this is my lead capture page. You know, it's one of my favorite programs, guys. And this is where for any business opportunity that has a lead capture page where people are going to put their name and their email address. Now, guys, now look at this. You're going to get your domain name. You're going to come over to Udimi Solo Ads. You're going to drop it. You're going to copy and paste it right here. And then, guys, you can click on the top tier traffic. And then you can use this bar. This bar is movable. And then you can order as many visitors as you want. Here's the start date. And the sky can be the limit. This guy sold 25 solo recently. You can keep reading here, guys. And just get the reviews, guys. And again, keep looking for solo ad deals, guys. Come down here. Become familiar. Become familiar with whoever you're buying traffic from. Again, how many orders do they have? Are they easy to work with? Do they deliver traffic? Let's look at this young man here, Stephen. I've ordered a lot of traffic from Stephen. Stephen sells traffic like crazy. You can provide 1,000 visitors, guys, to your site of your choosing. He'll get you off to the races. I'm talking about with a lot of traffic, and that is so exciting to see the traffic that you can come in here and buy, and you'll be off to the races, guys. It is just that exciting to see what can happen when you order traffic from these folks. Now, let's see what people are saying. Okay, he was in top 2 for July sales 2020. He's recently sold 31 solo ads. Top 2, I got sales ratings in June. Hall of Fame member, 26 awards. This is where he provides traffic geographical location. Alaska and the United States. This is 100% top tier countries, guys. This is powerful. Look at this. This person says, great appointment, thanks, good solo ad, got sales, good run, prompt communication, and sales. So often Stephen's got good traffic, guys. Look at some thumbs up, guys. Got many leads, sales, nice run, got sales. Just exciting, guys, to see the traffic that Stephen have provided for people, and people are yet again buying traffic after traffic after traffic. So very powerful. Very, very powerful. Desmond, I used Desmond before, but he's gone a lot.